A lot of people express concern about the noise of a pedal drive unit versus just paddling. Well, I'm going to do a test today and we'll see how noisy my Jackson is at full speed and sneak up speed. And I'll leverage my fishing buddy to do that. What I'll do is I'll have him drive by my kayak and I'll stuff this camera underwater to see what the microphone picks up. Welcome back! If you're new to the channel, we cover kayak modifications, spin, and fly fishing. So poke that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Fast speed noise test. That was the fast speed. Now we'll do slow sneak up speed. Well, I was disappointed that you couldn't actually see the propeller as I was testing the sound, but that camera was under the water as Dick drove by my boat, and I can't hear anything. Now, my experience from this season is that the propeller is pretty quiet, so I'm going to give it a thumbs up.